Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can resize your videos on CapCut PC by changing the aspect ratio. So for instance, I have this video, and for instance the aspect ratio is at a 16:9, and I don't want all of this to show. So to have the video fit the original, you're just going to select this bit right here and change it to original. You can also change it to customize and customize the resolution as well. And that just makes sense. If I add this bit in, it's going to stick to the original canvas, rather than if, for instance, I chose this, it will show the background. But if you want it to show the background, you can change the aspect ratio over here. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!